Alright. No, haven't done anything for a while on it. But soon we'll be yanking that stock diff out, pulling the system I've got off under there, the exhaust and that. Even though it's all good, she's just stock, won't hold up. I've got to order me wider wheels next month, going 8.5 with 255s on it, so that we can make the 4-link and all that to size and fit them perfect. I've got to rip out all the gauges and get a new fascia made so that I can fucking mount up all the new gauges, but I've prepared the center console. She's got the purge button and the clock mounted. It's come along. The rest of the interior is pretty much that's tidy enough, and can't wait to gut this old gear out of here. It's still running good, but it's just good to get rid of that motor and get something in there like the plan says. At the moment I'm not driving much because I haven't got the wheels off yet and had a good look, but I've got the front brakes are sticking or something on that. The old beast. It'll get there. Bit by bit, eh?